Commitment. It is a state of being dedicated to an activity. How committed are you? How committed am I? I know that's a hard question. Or is it? Why does commitment matter? Because, my dear friends, where your commitment lies, there lies your energy, focus, improvement, and your growth. Think about you and the most important areas of life that you want to accomplish or achieve. Make a list of them. Think about your biggest goals or objectives. Then ask yourselves, what am I committed to out of this list? Now take the top 3 in priority and ask, will I focus, spend time, energy, and find ways to achieve them?